Alright, robot, here's the project today. I'm going to fix this damn wheelbarrow. I'm going to keep track of how long it takes me to do it because it's important information which I'll tell you about later. The problem at the moment is that this wedge that belongs under here has fallen off and it's made the whole thing crooked. First thing is to dismantle this thing using this 1/2 inch deep walled socket. You do keep a pile of scrap 2x4s around your place, don't you? Square off out here. I'm going to trace this onto here. Except for I'm going to extend it out a little bit. I mismounted it originally. I have to redo all this, putting the tall side to the front. Alright, robot, we're back. We settled some things at the Homely Depot. One of which is, for whatever reason known only to them, they made these things a non-standard size. These are 3-inch. The other is 2.5 inch, and those were too short. So why they made these specialty, I can tell you later why. It was just to save an extra 0.2 of a cent or whatever. But anyway, we got what we need now. We're going to be able to put this thing back together. See what I did again? The wedges have to go under the legs, or under the levers. So we'll take this apart for the 3rd time and put it back together right the 3rd time. Alright, robot, there it is. I declare bueno. Now, it did take me 3 attempts to put it together wrong till I finally got it right the 3rd time. I did take 1 trip to the Home Depot for these 2 carriage bolts, which cost me 68 cents. And it is true that I only deferred the expense of the lawnmower here, or not lawnmower, wheelbarrow here, because this bucket will eventually wear out anyway because it's plastic. But in the meantime, I've deferred the expenditure of at least $119 and maybe more than that, so I'm ready to call it good.